Imagine this: you ditch the guidebook and the usual tourist crowds, trading them for a necklace of stunning islands, each with its own story to tell. These aren't your average beach escapes. We're talking volcanic giants scraping the sky, hidden coves where the turquoise water whispers secrets, and landscapes so lush they feel like stepping into a fairy tale. Here's the thing: Spain's islands cater to every kind of traveler. Are you the adventurous type, heart pounding for that next adrenaline rush? Or maybe a nature lover, soul yearning for the quiet whisper of leaves and the crash of waves? Perhaps you just crave a serene escape, a place to unplug and recharge. Whichever path your wanderlust takes you on, there's an island whispering your name. So grab your swimsuit, your sense of adventure, and a healthy dose of curiosity. We're setting sail on a virtual island-hopping adventure through Spain's most captivating escapes. Think of it as your personal island-hopping bucket list, complete with hidden gems and must-see wonders. Buckle up, because over the next few stops, we'll be uncovering some amazing paradise, each ready to steal a piece of your heart. Tenerife isn't your run-of-the-mill beach vacation. This Canary Island throws you a curveball. A volcanic curveball, that is. Mount Tide, Spain's tallest peak, rises like a slumbering giant in the center of the island, casting a dramatic shadow over everything. One minute you could be hiking through otherworldly lava fields, feeling like you've stepped onto the surface of Mars. And the next, you could be sinking your toes into the cool, black sand of a secluded beach, the turquoise water lapping gently at your feet. Tenerife is a place where fire and ice coexist, creating an unforgettable adventure unlike any other. Imagine this: you wake up in Gran Canaria, a place nicknamed Miniature Continent for a reason. Lush rainforests, teeming with life, blanket the north, offering a cool escape and a chance to spot exotic birds flitting through the emerald canopy. But drive a few hours south, and you'll find yourself transported to a whole new world. Here, the golden dunes of Maspalomas stretch out like a vast desert, begging you to explore their rolling waves of sand. And if history tickles your fancy, then Vegueta, the island's oldest town, awaits with its cobbled streets and vibrant architecture, whispering tales of pirates and conquistadors. Gran Canaria isn't just a place to visit. It's a treasure chest overflowing with discoveries waiting to be unearthed. Mallorca, the jewel of the Balearics and a place that truly has something for everyone. Imagine spending your mornings basking on pristine southern beaches, the kind where the sand is so soft it feels like powdered sugar between your toes, and the water shimmers a clear turquoise. Then, in the afternoons, wander the charming maze-like streets of Palma de Mallorca, the island's capital. Get lost in the vibrant energy, stopping for a café con leche and a flaky pastry at a hidden gem of a bakery. Craving a touch of history and culture? Take a day trip to the enchanting hilltop village of Valdemosa. Here, nestled amidst breathtaking scenery, is where the famed composer Chopin himself sought inspiration. Mallorca isn't just a beach escape. It's a sun-drenched haven where relaxation meets rich cultural tapestry, waiting to be woven into your own unforgettable story. Menorca is Mallorca's quieter, cooler sister, where you go to truly unwind and melt into the rhythm of nature's heartbeat. Think of a secluded coves with water so transparent it feels like you're floating on air, the gentle lapping of waves the only sound breaking the serene silence. Here, mass tourism is a distant memory, replaced by quaint traditional villages whispering stories of a slower pace of life. And for the nature lovers, a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve awaits, a sprawling wonderland of hiking trails that weave through lush landscapes, each step a chance to reconnect with the beauty of the earth. Menorca isn't a party, it's a soul-soothing experience, a chance to hit pause and truly appreciate the simple magic of the natural world. Ibiza isn't your grandma's bingo night. This island thrums with a vibrant energy that's legendary. Partygoers with glitter shimmering on their skin flock to world-famous clubs, where the music pumps until dawn. But Ibiza's not a one-trick pony. Around hidden bends in the road, you'll find secluded coves with water so clear it looks like liquid turquoise. Here, the bohemian spirit thrives. Artists, musicians, and free souls soak up the sun and lose themselves in the rhythm of the waves. Ibiza offers a unique kaleidoscope of experiences. Sun-drenched days spent exploring hidden coves and electrifying nights dancing under the Balearic stars. It's a playground for the free-spirited traveler, a place where anything goes, and the only rule is to embrace the moment. Fuerteventura isn't just another beach destination. Here, the wind whispers secrets through the palm trees, carrying the scent of salt and adventure. Imagine this: endless stretches of golden sand unfurl before you, the perfect playground for sun worshippers and sandcastle architects. But for the thrill seekers, the real magic lies in the wind. It's strong, powerful, and a siren song to windsurfers and kitesurfers from all over the world. Watch them dance across the turquoise water, defying gravity with their colorful sails catching the breeze. But Fuerteventura isn't just about adrenaline. Beyond the water's edge, dramatic volcanic landscapes rise like ancient sentinels, their rugged beauty a stark contrast to the soft sand. Explore hidden coves accessible only by foot, or simply sink your toes into the warm sand of a secluded beach and let the rhythm of the waves lull you into a state of pure relaxation. Fuerteventura is a haven for those who crave both adventure and tranquility, a place where the wind whispers promises of unforgettable experiences. La Palma isn't just another island, it's a nickname come true. They call it Isla Bonita, the beautiful island, and believe me, it lives up to the name. Hike through the heart of Caldera de Tabiriente National Park, a volcanic wonderland where a colossal caldera, a giant crater formed by a collapsed volcano, holds a breathtaking secret. Lush forests carpet the caldera floor, teeming with life, while deep ravines and dramatic cliffs rise up on all sides, testaments to the island's fiery past. But La Palma isn't just about volcanic drama. As a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, it's a haven for nature lovers, offering a tapestry of ecosystems waiting to be explored. And for the stargazers out there, La Palma is a dream come true. With exceptionally clear skies and minimal light pollution, it's a window to the universe. A chance to see the Milky Way sprawl across the night sky in a way you never thought possible. La Palma is an island that captures your heart with its beauty, a place where nature reigns supreme and the stars shine a little brighter. Lanzarote isn't your typical island getaway. Forget swaying palm trees and turquoise waters. For a while, at least. Here, volcanic fury has sculpted the landscape into a scene straight out of a sci-fi movie. Step into Tamanfaya National Park, a surreal volcanic wonderland where molten lava simmers just beneath the surface. Jagged black rock formations rise like alien sentinels, a stark contrast to the vivid blue sky. This isn't just a sight to behold, it's an experience. Witness geysers erupt with a hiss, feel the heat radiating from the earth, and marvel at the sheer power of nature that shaped this otherworldly terrain. But Lanzarote isn't all about volcanic drama. Dotted across the island are charming whitewashed villages, their architecture a testament to the island's history. Wander through narrow cobbled streets, stopping for a glass of local wine in a hidden plaza. And for those seeking a touch of paradise, secluded coves with crystal-clear waters beckon, offering a refreshing escape from the lunar landscapes. Lanzarote is an island unlike any other, a place where raw volcanic beauty coexists with traditional charm. It's a perfect escape for the adventurous soul, seeking something truly off the beaten path, a place where memories are made from volcanic rock and stardust. So, whether you're in the mood for volcanic thrills, hidden coves, or vibrant nightlife, Spain's islands have a shore waiting to capture your heart. Each island is a unique gem, offering endless adventures and unforgettable experiences. Thank you for joining us on this island-hopping journey. If you enjoyed this virtual tour, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never